Hi, it's NAB 2023 and we're here the day before the show opens because Marshall are ready, doing a number of videos with them, going around all the pods. Have a look at the other videos that are out there. But here we are, Todd, we're talking mini POVs.
We are again.
How you doing?
Doing good.
Good, right. So what's new here?
So in the POV camera range, we sell a lot of POV cameras, lots and lots. But we've added new sensors to each model.
Okay.
So our 503 is now the 504, the 506 is the 508, but it's next generation of POV cameras in our line.
Okay. What does it give us? Yeah.
Including the lipstick camera. So the lipstick is the 226, now the 228. But the idea is this new Sony sensor is brand new Sony sensor technology.
Okay.
It's better in low light, better color representation.
Yep.
You're able to remotely match more things here from our RCP unit, including color matrix and deeper control of gamma, gain, red, blue, but basically remotely painting your cameras and matching other cameras in your production workflow.
Okay. This box has been out for a while, though.
It has.
Yeah. So
and we added the new cameras also now have the ability of color matrix.
Okay.
So now deeper control of color and again, matching those other cameras in the production workflow. So now you're able to control color matrix from the RCP.
Okay.
And it's just a firmware update, and that update will be available the day we get back, downloadable from our website.
So if that update, does that mean that the cameras are shipping already?
So the 228, the lipstick, new generation ready.
Yeah.
The 566 already has the new Sony sensor. The 568 is that global shutter Sony sensor. And the mini, the 503 and the 506 will be updated within a couple months. And again, have the 504 and 508 numbers. The numbers that only live in my head. And
I was going to say, I'm going to lose all of those numbers.
All of those, but we made it easy on our website to discern which is which.
We'll find them. Well, we've used them and we love them, so that's great.
Right.
So if people are coming to the show, where are they going to come and find you to find out more?
So we're in Central Hall.
Yep.
And it's booth 5520. Right in the middle.
Right in the middle.
Yep.
Just down the steps, keep going, just on the left hand side.
Right.
Brilliant. And the website
is marshall-usa.com.
Brilliant. Fantastic. So if you're at the show, come into the Central Hall and find Marshall. And for any more of the videos that we're doing here at the stand, you can log on to YouTube or the website. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.
Look forward to seeing everybody.
Cheers.